हाँ, idam a video, yahi hai video. 4 recent pickups from Puma. Let me quickly show you guys what I got. ऊपर से अनबॉक्सिंग का कैमरा एंगल ये सब नहीं चाहिए हमको, कंटेंट इंपॉर्टेंट है. डायरेक्टली आई विल जस्ट शो टू यू गाइस, मेरा काम भी इजी हो जाता है ना, इसलिए. सो दीज आर दी रनिंग सिस्टम जेट रीइन्वेंशन इन दिस एयर टोन कलर. These are priced at actually 10,000 rupees. During the recent sale I got for maybe 5,000 rupees or so. So what exactly pulled my attention and why I got these in the first place? Running System X, I think I have multiple options with me since years, because these are the comfortable sneakers money can buy. albeit थोड़ा सा ओवर प्राइज्ड है, 10,000 रुपीज़ और 12,000 रुपीज़, बट हम लोग डिस्काउंट में ओनली बाई करते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो आई डू रिकमेंड व्हेन दे आर ऑन डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस पॉइंट्स ओनली ना. एंड दीज आर द कम्फीएस्ट ऑप्शंस, दीज आर द ड्यूरेबल ऑप्शंस एंड ऑल्सो स्टाइलिश ऑप्शंस. जस्ट दीज आर द चंकियर ऑप्शंस बट नॉट लाइक टू ओवरबोर्ड और टू फ्लैशी. थोड़ा सा कलर ब्लॉकिंग फ्लैशी होता है, बट ओवरऑल दीज आर ए नाइस ऑलराउंडर, नाइस ब्लेंड ऑफ कंफर्ट, ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड स्टाइल. दैट्स द रीजन आई कीप ऑन जस्ट गोइंग विद द रनिंग सिस्टम X options, Z options, running system effect. They do have different categories. So let me show you guys quickly the sneaker I got, which is in this colorway, the earth tone colorway with black color as the sole. In case if you love woodland boot colors, or if you love the boot vibe in terms of the color, not what the boot gives, in terms of the vibe, if you love that, and if you want a similar effect with the sneakers, this green, brown and also black color blocking with subtle gray touches, it works well. Thoda sa difficult to mix and match because it does have gray and black, so it goes mostly with the darker bottom wear, but as it does have earth tones, it goes slightly better, but not like super duper versatile this particular option. That's something you need to consider. But as I mentioned, the comfort for the running system X, they use this running system foam, which is extremely comfortable. It's like you are walking on a sponge. In case if you have a long working day, or if you're going for an outing and if you have to walk kilometers, you can just walk very easily. If I'm going to a mall or if I'm going to a place where I know that I have to walk a lot, I generally tend to go with the running system or Puma sneakers with soft foam, or maybe Skechers sneaker. As we are talking about Puma, running system are one of the best options you can get from Puma, in case if you want that superior comfort. And also talking about the durability and everything, it does have different combination of materials. Here it have this soft leather, and here it have this suede leather. On the cup portion here they have the mesh, and again canvas fabric in the gray color here, and rubber attachments on the backside. Different usage of materials with this chunky, super rigid hard sole and super grippy undersole. Overall, it's a great package. And if you have darker bottom wear such as maybe dark blue jeans or a black jeans, or maybe the olive green color cargos, or maybe the beige color cargos, it works well, or maybe the gray color chinos as well. But with the other colors, thoda sa mushkil hai, particularly for the lighter bottom wear, gray colors, white colors and everything, it will not look that presentable. It also depends on the top wear you're wearing, but in general, Okay, now moving on to the second option which I got. These are called as Puma Doublecourt. This is the latest release from Puma. They actually released it a couple of months back only, this particular option, Puma Doublecourt. These are priced at 9,000 rupees, mind you. And I got this at 3,600 on Amazon. एक ही size available है when I was ordering. I'm not sure that right now the size is available or not, or it might be available in any other size also. The packaging also you can see here, forever better, and also the packaging is slightly new in terms of the Puma color brandings, and also it is very crisp. That itself tells that it is a new release, because the box is not beaten to death just like the previous option. And let me open that and show you very quickly. It's a classic white sneaker. You guys know that I absolutely love white sneakers. I do have multiple number of pairs with me when it comes to white sneaker. I keep on just stocking them when I get some good deal or so, because I use them a lot with subtle differentiations when it comes to the colorway. For example, here it does have this green colorway, the other one would be having blue here, or maybe the green here just like a New Balance option, or maybe the options from the Adidas Originals, Stan Smith. Slight differentiations or slight color blockings, but the core color Mostly I prefer would be the white color or maybe white with some sort of a statement colors as well. But this one, the Puma Doublecourt, this is the first time I'm trying the sneaker as it is a new release from Puma. I do not have much expectations. I love absolutely Puma Slipstream as well as Puma CA Heritage Pro, which I showed to you and also reviewed in my previous videos. But this one, my expectations were very minimal. But after seeing the price, my expectations thoda sa bad gaya because this is priced more than the Puma Heritage CA Pro and less than the Puma Slipstream. It actually exceeded my expectations, to be very honest. It is not exactly similar to the Slipstream, not the CA Heritage Pro. The CA Heritage Pro you're gonna see in a while. In general, this is not as chunkier or as high top as the CA Heritage Pro nor Slipstream, and also it is not super low or low to that matter, just like an Adidas Tasman. It is right in between. It does have the slightly raised here edges when it comes to the mid portion that makes it look slightly elevated, but overall it's a decent enough in terms of the height. It can go well with literally with everything, each and everything. It's a very clean silhouette when it comes to the branding as well. Very, very subtle branding. Puma here mentioned in the white color, the branding here. Only on the backside you do get green color, and also here this mostly will not be seen until and unless if you have very cropped bottom wear. Or else if you have a just no break, it would be slightly visible. In that case, you can just play that as a statement, or else the clean white design. But there is a slight differentiation. It is with the sole. Sole, it does have that grippy sole in this off-whitish beige color. That's what differentiates this. Means from far away, it looks basically like white sneaker, but if you see this close, you see this beige color, slight differentiation. Obviously, वो dirty होके brown हो जाता है. After that, that's a different thing. But right now, and when it comes to comfort, it is definitely comfortable than the normal Puma Unisex Smash sneakers or the Puma soft foam sneakers, which are available at 4,000 or 5,000 rupees. Obviously, these priced at 9,000 rupees. It should be comfortable as well. But the best part, it is more comfortable than the Slipstream. Not more than the CA Heritage Pro, but it is better than these Slipstream sneakers. That I can say. This is also normal soft foam that Puma uses, but I'm not sure that what could be the reason. Either the side cushioning which they have, which is better than the Slipstream, or maybe the overall soft foam which Puma reinvents every now and then, that has been bettered. But this is the next one which I got. I think this should be the staple Puma sneaker going forward. Again, one more white sneakers. You must have got bored seeing white again and again and again. But as I mentioned, I love white sneakers in general, and I do have multiple of them, and I keep on stocking them up as well because they get dirty very easily, and after few washes or cleans and everything, at one point of time that would not be crisp. So keep on stocking them. This one is the Puma CA Heritage Pro, priced at 8,000 rupees. Here you guys can see the price. It is priced at 8,000. Each and every shoe which I got in my size, which is the size 9, UK size 9. This one, immediately you can notice the difference. Let me show you guys real quick in terms of the difference. See, now you can just realize how much chunkier this one. This is actually not chunky, this particular sneaker, the Puma CA Heritage Pro, but next to this look chunky. This is a proper middle ground in terms of the sneakers. This is just more stylish or a more casual option. This one, I love how clean it is. My previous CA Heritage Pro which I use have green overlay. This one does have in gold color, the subtle touches in gold color. Other than that, everything stays the same. The sole, the chunky sole, the clean silhouette, the comfort. This is more comfortable than this version, even though this one costs 1,000 rupees less. Video ayipaledu. I got a collab sneaker from Puma. Here you guys can see. Did Puma into staple. They have this collab very recently, and also this one is priced at a crazy 14,000 rupees Puma sneaker. Just because it's a collab, they are gonna design it even in a better way because it's a collab between two different brands, and because of the design element, because of the packaging, because of the hype that collab gives, they tend to actually price it on the higher front. That doesn't give you the quality, just it gives that added packaging or added hype. That's it. If I like the design only, I will just go for it. Just because it's a collab, I will not go. First of all, the immediate difference. One, you can observe with the packaging here, the difference here with the packaging in this yellow and black color everywhere. And once you open it, you are just greeted with a Puma shoe bag with the collab branding here. And the second add-on, You just get the extra laces in the grayish color. Again, similar things you will not get in your normal shoe wear. And even the paper here, instead of a normal white paper, you do have the collab markings everywhere. As I mentioned, unboxing experience is all that differs. And here you go with these sneakers. It's a black sneaker. You might be thinking, seeing all the yellow and black colors. Okay, colorful option? No. It's a black sneaker. It's a basic black sneaker. Basically, it's a Slipstream sneaker, Puma Slipstream, with this collab in this black color. Puma Slipstream generally 10,000 rupees hota hai, but because it's a collab, they priced it 4,000 rupees more and gave you an extra bag and also laces. But statement details to it. Here you guys can see, it does have this shiny patches where the Puma logo runs, or where actually the normal elements of the silhouette would be there, right? It's not a leather, but it's some sort of material that does have this crocodile leather kind of a texture to it. Everywhere, on the front side cup area, on the mid logo area, and that even extend towards the back side, although slightly asymmetrical way. And Puma branding in the gray color, that is the reason you do have a gray laces as well. And these laces you guys can see, again black and gray color. Even the insole here does have all the branding of this particular collab. If you're a guy who loves to go for parties, or who loves black outfits or a monochrome outfits to that matter, and want something which is like really stylish, looks like a designer sneaker, but don't want to spend like a crazy amount of money, that's where this particular option from Puma Slipstream, this collab of Puma into staple, comes into play. Extremely stylish option. If you love just black bottom wear, this goes really well. This is a crazy option. Definitely I'm gonna just keep this one, and you're gonna see more and more getting ready with me reels with this particular option. This is a super stylish option. I love it. Means it's not too flashy from far away, just you can see a slight glaze when the light hits. Talking about the price point, I got some 50% off on this one, I think. 7,000 rupees anukunta I got this option. That's it for this video. Video pasand aa gaya nahi aa gaya? Comment section lo cheppandi, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.